Hi and welcome to a very special Ask Austin. Today I'm going to tell you about my top 5 photography apps. At number 5 is VSCO or VSCO. This is available on iOS and Android as a free app, but they also have a paid membership model. The app includes the usual photo editing capabilities, including 10 free presets. Advanced photo editing tools are available in the membership, including over 200 presets. Number 4, Snapseed. Snapseed from Google is one of the best free photo editing apps out there. Comes with 29 tools and filters including healing, brush, structure, HDR and perspective, and it also works with JPEG and RAW files. The list of options within this app is huge. It's one that's well worth downloading. At number 3 is Photoshop Express. Photoshop Express makes it easy to edit, get creative and share photos so that they stand out on social media and everywhere else. It's super easy to use. Use the quick fix tools that heal blemishes, adjust perspective and much more. Choose from hundreds of themes and effects. If you've used the full-blown version, you'll be right at home with Photoshop Express. Number 2, Pro Camera by Moment. It gives you powerful features of a DSLR, but an easy to use camera app. It includes a new time-lapse mode, captures slow shutter shots at each interval and easily export as a 4K video, or capture full 12 megapixel RAW files, and further tune your time-lapse skills using desktop software. Easier to use than shooting on your DSLR. You can shoot in RAW even when burst mode, split focus and exposure, and manually control everything: exposure, ISO, shutter speed, white balance and focus. Comes in an easy to use interface, and they also provide various tips and video tutorials. And at number 1 is Lightroom Mobile. You can capture, edit, organise and share photos on your smartphone or tablet. Lightroom is a cloud-based service that gives you everything you need to edit, organise, store your photos across all your devices. Comes with built-in tutorials from professional photographers, along with hundreds of built-in presets, plus you can import your own ones. It's a perfect all-in-one video editing app. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you're not already subscribed to our channel, please subscribe above. Until the next time.